Once you have downloaded WaterPoint Network 2 from the Apple App Store, the first order of business is to set up a new utility. In the upper right hand corner, we select New Utility. There are two options. The bottom option is the one that we will be covering in this video. No, I'll set up my utility. We'll select No, I'll set up my utility. And first we need to name the utility. In this case, we'll call it My Town. And we submit that. It's processed and named. Then we have two other pieces of information we need to set up in order to be able to log in. First, we'll do the address. Now with the address, you'll need at least the street address and the zip code. 232 North Queen Street. And then the zip code 25401. Now we'll geocode the address to get the rest of the information. And then we'll do an address verified. Now we'll exit back out to My Town, and we still need to set up a user. So we'll select user. Then we'll enter a name. In this case, it will be John Smith, initials JS. And now we need to do a login email. Be js@mytown.org. Now we need a password. Needs to be at least 6 characters. Then we'll verify and submit. Now we have a check mark indicating that we have a password set. All the other information is there. There's also, you'll notice, 3 types of users. Admin is what we're setting up now. Admin can do everything. And then we have a regular user that can do most everything, and a basic user that is pretty much read-only. There is a circle information icon that you can select that will tell you the differences in the users. Now we'll go back to My Town. We have all the information we need, so we'll say Done, and then we'll go to the login screen. Then to log in, we'll put in the email address we just created for a login, and that was at mytown.org, and then we'll put in our password. Log in, and it asks us if we're going to use the map. Absolutely, we will be using the map, so we'll say allow. You'll notice in the center we have a blue utility icon. We'll select that blue utility icon, and you'll notice we have John Smith is set up as the user right now. We have the correct address, we have the name of the utility, which is My Town. We'll select John Smith, and you'll notice he's the only one that's set up as a user. If we want to set up another user, we'll hit the plus sign at the upper right hand corner, and we can set up another user. Again, we have 3 types of users. At this point, you can change what type of user you want to set up.